Welcome back to Count Deck. Are you ready to experience the thrill of speed? Today, we are counting down the top 10 fastest sports cars in the world. From hypercars to supercars, these vehicles are the ultimate driving machines. Let's get started. Number 10, McLaren Speedtail. Coming in at number 10, we have the McLaren Speedtail. With a top speed of 220 miles per hour. This car is a masterpiece of innovation and performance. Powered by a twin-turbo V8 engine, it produces 1,050 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. At number 9, we have the Porsche 911 GT2 RS. This car is a beast on the road. With a top speed of 211 miles per hour. Its twin-turbo flat-six engine delivers 700 horsepower. And it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. Number 8 takes us to the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. With a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Its hybrid powertrain produces 986 horsepower and it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour. At number 7, we have the Lamborghini Chiron. This car is a work of art. With a top speed of 220 miles per hour. Its V12 engine and electric motor combine to produce 819 horsepower. And it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Number 6 brings us to the Pagani Huayra BC. With a top speed of 238 miles per hour. This car is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and performance. Its twin-turbo V12 engine delivers 789 horsepower. And it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. At number 5, we have the SSC Tuatara. This car is a speed demon. With a top speed of 238 miles per hour. Its twin-turbo V8 engine produces 1,750 horsepower. And it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. Number 4 takes us to the Rimac C_2. With a top speed of 258 miles per hour. This car is a technological marvel. Its electric powertrain produces 1,914 horsepower and it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.85 seconds. At number 3, we have the Koenigsegg Agera RS. This car is a Swedish sensation. With a top speed of 273 miles per hour. Its twin-turbo V8 engine delivers 1,340 horsepower. And it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Number 2 brings us to the Hennessey Venom F5. With a top speed of 301 miles per hour. This car is a beast on the road. Its twin-turbo V8 engine produces 1,817 horsepower. And it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds. And the number 1 spot goes to the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300+. With a top speed of 330 miles per hour. This car is the fastest production car in the world. Its W16 engine delivers 1,600 horsepower. And it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds.